Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're gonna wrap the door handle on this Buick Envista. This is actually my wife's car. The roof is wrapped gloss black, Arlon's color change film. Today we're gonna wrap this door handle pink, just for a video to show you guys how to do it. But also the reason why we're doing this is this car is going to get fully wrapped pink. It's actually called Piggy Bank Pink from Miliatone within the next probably month, when I have some time, when I can take some time to actually do disassembly, take everything apart, and when she doesn't need the car for a few days, or when I can just force her to not use the car for a few days so we can make a ton of content. So that's a great video coming up for you guys, is a full wrap on this car from this really cool, like almost burnt orange orange color. I love this color actually. To the pink. It's the same pink in yesterday's video. That is about to be this whole car, other than all the black. We're going to keep all the black accents what they are. First things first, just like every other wrap, you want to start with a clean surface and do a alcohol wipe, which is what we're going to do here. Okay, so we are going to start off with this piece of pink that I roughly cut the shape I need. We're actually going to take off this cap sheet because this material does have a cap sheet. We're going to take that off, and we're going to just pull that. We're going to lay this down right there. We're going to give that a little bit of heat right there, just to lock that in place right there. Now, I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and give this some heat. Heat. That into there. Here, see, we got some wrinkles there. Let's just pop that back. And just a little bit of heat gets rid of those already.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Alright, quick little video of wrapping a door handle. Guys, there's many different ways to do this. I'm not saying this is 100% the way or not the way. I do prefer taking handles off, and when I do the actual wrap on this car, I will be taking the handles off and taking my time to do them a lot more than I just did now. I just figured I'd show you this guy this way. It is a way to do it without taking the door handles off. You can do it without taking the door handles off and without taking door panels apart, because taking the door handles off, sometimes you can take door panels apart, you gotta do a bunch of extra work. This is a way that you don't have to do all that extra work. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one.